At the beginning of 2025, you must have made many promises like me. I will do this, I will do that. But 3 months have passed and you are still the same. Procrastination, lack of discipline, and countless other excuses. And the funniest part? You still believe I'm a Sigma, a Giga Chad, I'm top G. To those people, I want to say one thing. Stop lying to yourself. Accept that you are a loser and weak. Yes, you are weak. But if you have accepted this truth, then you are a real man. Because a real man doesn't hide his weaknesses. He eliminates them from the root. Stand in front of a mirror and say to yourself, I am weak, I am a loser. Do I want to live like this forever? If even 1% of you feels no, logically, then watch this video till the end. I promise you, after watching this video, all your problems will be fixed. You will break out of your comfort zone and take action, because this is your greatest comeback. Everything in this video is practical. This is not just another motivational video. Don't judge it by the thumbnail that says this is personal. This is not clickbait. For the past year, I wanted to upload videos on this channel, but I kept making excuses. I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have time. But 1 month ago, I decided to stop making excuses. Now I will keep uploading videos here. At the end of this video, I will share my secrets, the exact method I use to stay consistent without any motivation. Because after watching this, you might follow it for 2 to 3 days, but soon you'll fall back into your old routine. Just like I said before, I will share one powerful thing that will make sure you never need another motivational video. You will start working hard on your own. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. You don't know that you possess the most powerful thing in the world, your mind. If you want to understand it better, read about it. If you want, I can even give you a link in the description. You just need to know how to use it effectively. But before you can use it properly, you need to reset it. Clear out all the unnecessary thoughts that occupy your mind throughout the day. You know they are unimportant and a waste of time. Remove them from your life. You need to break away from the crowd. Unfollow all the useless influencers you've been following, and only follow those who add value to your life. It can be anyone. Turn off notifications for all apps and delete the ones that are unimportant. No excuses will work because you know that no important calls or messages are coming. Your mind will give you useless excuses, but you shouldn't listen to it. Avoid unnecessary people and become a little selfish for a while. After some time, you can go back to being there for everyone. During this process, make sure not to be rude to anyone, as that can harm you. You need to remain kind and keep your plans to yourself. Don't involve anyone in your goals, or you will regret it. I want you to become someone who can only be defeated by yourself, no one else, as Thomas Shelby says.
The only person who could ever kill Thomas Shelby is Thomas Shelby himself.
Now you have to give your brain the instruction about what it wants. Whatever you want to achieve should create a hunger inside you, and that goal should hold significant importance in your life. Imagine what you want to achieve, whether it's a good physique or any other goal. Spend some time alone and think deeply about it. Now, create a roadmap for whatever you have imagined. One thing to keep in mind is to set a limited time frame and aim for a big goal. This increases the chances of achieving your goal. I am telling you this from my own experience. For instance, if you want to finish a book in 3 months, you need to plan how many chapters you need to read in 1 month, how many pages you need to read in a week, and how many lines you need to read in a day. You should have all the data and information in your mind so that there is no confusion. Some people might think these things are unnecessary, but doing this is extremely important. Now that your mind is ready, you need discipline and a set of rules to fight through these challenges. You should follow a routine like mine. Your day should start at 5 a.m., and as soon as you wake up, you need to eat your frog. Now you might be wondering what that means. Find your frog means doing the hardest task first thing in the morning. In my case, I wake up, walk, or run 3 to 4 kilometers, then do an intense workout at a distant place and run back home. After that, I drink some water and immediately focus on my hardest task again, whether it's writing a video script or reading a book. When you finish the hardest tasks in the morning, the rest of the day's work becomes easier. If you follow this consistently for a long time, your chances of success increase. Yes, initially some things may be difficult for you. If waking up early is hard, I'll give you one tip. Prepare mentally the night before. Think carefully before going to bed about the task you need to do in the morning. This increases the chances of waking up by more than 60%. If you win the morning, you win the day. If you win the day, you win the week, and so on. During this process, I don't want you to face two major problems. First, laziness, and second, low energy. You need to boost your testosterone. Some people may think or even tell you that exercising will make you tired and affect your studies, but all of that is just an excuse and completely false. In fact, exercising will make you feel more active and help you work at double speed. If you want to boost your testosterone, watch this video. It's one of the best out there, and I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Another important thing, give up junk food forever. You're no longer a kid who craves chocolates and candies. If you're still thinking about eating burgers and pizza, remember, you've grown up now. You and I both know that you'll only follow this routine for 2 to 4 days out of motivation, because this isn't the first video you've watched like this. But as I promised at the beginning, I will give you a solution that will help you stay disciplined for the long term, and you'll actually enjoy working without the need for any more motivational videos. On days when you don't feel like working or things feel too hard, here's what you need to do. Pick up a pen and notebook and start writing about all the hard work you've done so far. It could be anything, even hard work you put into playing a video game. Write positive reviews about yourself and remind yourself that you've done it before, so you can do it again. Challenge yourself to make each day 1% harder than the previous one. For example, if you're exercising, increase your reps by 1. If you're reading a book, read 1 more page or even 1 more line than yesterday. Push yourself a little further every day. Use people's insults and criticism as motivation. Write down all the things you have that others don't. You have hands and legs to work hard, while many people don't. Most importantly, you have time, something many people lack. You need to blackmail yourself by thinking about what would go wrong in your life if you didn't achieve your goals. Imagine the difficulties you might face and remember those moments. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video.